Hello guys, this video is the first from the list of videos in new series like what I've got on Wallapop. Wallapop is online flea market, a flea market that very popular in Spain, and I'm buying things from Wallapop for very good prices. The first video is with video timber with a price of just 35 euros and with regular price on Amazon, for example, like 95 euros. So today I've got this parcel. I eliminated the directions, addresses, everything, and let's open this. So let's see what I've got. The seller says that this is a new device, not used. So let's see. Good packet, and with I think that this is original package. Victure brand. You see the model. Clearly it's VD300 video doorbell wireless version, so that's pretty good. Now I live in a house, so I need a video doorbell to be able to answer to Amazon's couriers and for post office when I'm absent. So let's see the price. The price is 35 euros for new thing. So here we have the manual. In the next video I will show you how to set up it when I will find out how to do it. But now let's see what we have. So we have the micro SD card, like 16 gigabyte. We have screws and all other tools for mounting. We have the brand new video doorbell, Victure. Yes, Victure. So here is the brand. So this is a button, I think. This is a sensor. The speaker and the camera, all is protected with plastic. So I think this is a case for, yes, for mounting. I need a screwdriver to unscrew this. So what we have here is, I think it's micro USB charging port, 5 volts. And here we should have a batteries, or maybe it's inside of this package. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's open this later. Let's see what we have here. So we don't need this. And we have the new package with oh, this is a timber that I think we have to mount on the other side of the door. So I hope this have the inside battery, internal battery, and this is a charger, I think so. And here is a reset button. Okay. Okay, so here we have the battery. I was right when I said that, yeah, it's pretty good. So as I read, the capacity of the batteries is enough for half or maybe the entire year of autonomy work. And then we should it's pretty interesting. So we should just unmount this one and charge it with this. Or when I'm home, for example, I can just connect it to the external battery for 2 or 3 hours for charging, and that's all. So I live in pretty closed community where I think it's not possible to steal something. So this is okay. So the charger, okay, the 5-volt charger, the cable for this charger, yeah, and that's it all. So now let's see how to connect it. So I hope this I think it's time to read the manual. So English setup, I've installed it. Okay. Let's see, maybe this tool inside will help us. Maybe not. Let's check what we have here. Okay, so we have like okay, this tool is just for this screw. But I don't know how to replace the batteries, because in this manual, okay, here we have. So camera charging indicator, 11 CDK battery compartment. Okay, but how to open this? No information. Okay, so let's try. I don't see any screw here. So I think it should be opened like this. Okay, yes. Okay, not a problem anymore. Yeah, it should fit. So let's remove the plastic. Okay. And what do we have? Where is the plus? Okay, here is the plus, and here is the plus. Okay, so yes, minus, plus, and here we go. Okay. You see the light, yes? Yay, it works. Okay, and then I will charge this thing and see how it's working, and I will charge this, and the next video will be about how to set up this, and we will test. But now all I wanted to say that I've got this new one thing, completely new device from Wallapop for just 35 euros. For this price in Amazon I could buy just a doorbell, maybe wireless but without any camera. And here we have the SD card slot. Here I will put it. We have the communication, we have the Wi-Fi, so that's pretty cool. What do you think? Let me know in comments. So please like, ring the bell, and see you in the next video. Thanks.